Hello everyone, I am Shibin Balakrishnan. I welcome you all to the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Looking into the highlights of today's briefing, due to the two western disturbances, isolated to scattered rainfall and snowfall is forecasted over Western Himalayan region till 27th of March and scattered to fairly widespread activity till during 28th to 31st of March. Northwest India is forecasted with isolated to scattered rainfall activity till 31st of March. Scattered to fairly widespread rainfall along with thunderstorm, lightning, gusty winds are forecasted over northeast and adjoining East India during the week, with possibility of isolated heavy rainfall over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim on 26th and 27th, Arunachal Pradesh and major parts of northeast India during 27th and 29th of March. Hot and humid conditions are forecasted to prevail over coastal Maharashtra and Kerala during 25th to 27th of March. Due to the trough and wind discontinuity in the lower levels, isolated thunderstorm and lightning activity along with gusty winds are forecasted over parts of South Peninsula India during the week. Looking into the observed weather during the past 24 hours, heavy rainfall has been observed at isolated places over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim. Hailstorm has been reported at isolated pockets over Telangana and interior Karnataka. Thunderstorm accompanied with squally and gusty winds were observed over major parts of central India and over parts of South Peninsular India. Looking into synoptic conditions of today, a fresh western disturbance is currently seen as a cyclonic circulation over North Pakistan and adjoining Afghanistan in the lower and middle levels. A cyclonic circulation lies over northeast Assam in the lower levels. A trough runs from Marathwada to south coastal Karnataka in the lower tropospheric levels. Another trough is seen from Gangetic West Bengal to South Chhattisgarh, the lower levels. Cyclonic circulation is seen over south interior Karnataka. Another western disturbance is forecasted to affect northwest India from the 28th of March. With respect to the maximum temperature forecast, northwest India is forecasted with gradual rise in maximum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius in the next 2 days, with no significant change in subsequent 2 days and gradual fall thereafter for subsequent 3 days. Central India is forecasted with gradual rise in maximum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius in the next 2 days and no significant change thereafter. East India is forecasted with gradual rise in maximum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius the next 2 days, with gradual fall in subsequent 2 days and no significant change thereafter. Gujarat state is forecasted with no significant change in maximum temperature in the next 2 days and gradual fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during subsequent 5 days. Remaining parts of the country are forecasted with no significant change in maximum temperatures. Looking into subdivisional wise weather warning, Northeast India is forecasted with thunderstorm activity and South Peninsula India is forecasted thunderstorm activity over major parts of interior Karnataka, Telangana and over parts of Rayalaseema. Isolated hailstorm activity also forecasted over parts of interior Karnataka. Hot and humid conditions are forecasted to prevail over parts of coastal Maharashtra and over parts of Kerala. Looking into the day 2 warning, thunderstorm activity is forecasted to prevail over major parts of northeast India and over parts of Western Himalayan region. South Peninsula India is also forecast with thunderstorm activity along with hot and humid conditions over parts of Kerala and coastal Maharashtra. Looking into the day 3 warning, heavy rainfall is forecast over parts of Bihar and sub-Himalayan West Bengal association along with hail activity, with parts of Arunachal Pradesh and Assam Meghalaya forecasted with heavy rainfall along with thunderstorm activity. Major plains of northwest India and over parts of East India forecast with thunderstorm activity. With respect to southern parts of the country, interior Karnataka, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are forecasted with thunderstorm activity with hot and humid conditions forecasted to prevail over parts of coastal Maharashtra and Kerala. With respect to day 4, northeast India is forecasted heavy rainfall activity over major parts of the region with thunderstorm activity forecasted over parts of East India and over parts of central India and major parts of South Peninsula India. Thunderstorm activity is also forecasted over parts of Western Himalayan region. With respect to day 5 warning, thunderstorm activity is forecasted to prevail over major parts of Western Himalayan region, plains of northwest India, central India and over parts of northeast India with heavy rainfall activity forecasted over parts of Assam, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. Parts of South Peninsula India over Kerala and coastal Karnataka is forecasted with thunderstorm activity with squally winds. With respect to day 6 and day 7, thunderstorm activity is forecasted to prevail over parts of Rajasthan, over parts of Western Himalayan region and over parts of Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. For round the clock weather updates, kindly request you to follow IMD social media handles. Thank you.